Okay, we have two options. We can create directly from Canva, or we can have fun and create it from ChatGPT. Because we have Canva, if you guys have the premium version for the bulk creation, of course, I would suggest go straight into Canva. It's just faster. And it saves you the time and the hassle to create another chat on ChatGPT with Canva using the plugin, etc. But let's just go into Canva because they also have AI embedded. So here on Canva, you have the Magic Studio. Every time you see this icon with the stars, it means it's AI powered. So let's go. Magic Design, try now. Yes, let's go. Let's try Magic Design. Launch bar. Let's search launch bar, what they have. We're here, so from here, you have already a big list of suggested themes you can use. I'm going to choose one. All right, I'm going to choose this one. Let's go. So it's a presentation. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's cool. Customize this template. Apply all 7 pages. Let's see what we have. So we have introduction, photo and text. Then we have a list of options. All right, just to be more realistic, I'm just going to update the price. So you guys know, if you ever see a launch bar opened this year here in Margate named the Lime Slice, that's me. Bear in mind again that you'll have to resize and readjust the text as you go. All right, a quick tip here is as well, on the template style, it has all the colors and fonts, so you can literally click and shuffle and go through several options and try to find the one that fits. I'm just expediting this, and then of course I can send this design to my designer and say, hey, here's what I have in mind, now please tweak it and make it even better. Okay, so far I've created the first 3 slides with the problem, agitation and solution, and then I also add the same menu, let's say in terms of drinks, what do we have a la carte, so they can order these drinks. So this is going to be all equal. I'm going to create this one just to catch their attention, and then the next thing I'd like to do is to promote an event. So here I'm going to create an extra slide just to add the event information. So, okay, in this slide then, we will have an event. We can then change the image for each type of event, but for now we'll keep this one as a reference. We have here the event name and the date, so we are going to use these as variables. So how does this work? When we go to bulk create, we can either enter the data manually on a table, and you can see here the column names and then the content, or we can do this on our table, on our spreadsheet that we have on Google, and then import the CSV file. That's the way we have to import the table from one program to the other. So using just this one as an example, let's say that I have, I'm going just to delete row, that I have here instead of name, I have the date, and what was the name of the other one? Artist band, okay. And artist band, let's use this one as an example, and this is a day, okay. Now we can fill in all of the other variables. Let's just use this one as an example, date and artist band. So what I'm going to do here on the date, I'm going to right click, I'm going to connect data, and I'm going to say this one is the date. That's why it's important to have the column headers with the same name of the variables we want to use, because now everything's going to make sense. So I would say this is date, and this connecting data artist/band. Now what I have to do is just to go back and do the same in our spreadsheet and upload the CSV. So we do have problem here. Oh, and by the way, you notice that we have the variables in between curved brackets. So let's add them. So here I have problem. And you can see here on the spacing that the text box is anchored at the center position, meaning if it has a lot of content, it's going to keep the same center position. Anchor at the center, that's why we have problem. Same for this one, agitation, in between curved brackets, double checking. All right, and now here on this one we have solution. Then we have event date, and we have artist band already here. Okay, so now let's upload the file and let's just create our slides.